Hi everyone, this is Nikhil and welcome to my channel. Before starting the video, please subscribe to my channel to watch more informative videos. Today I am going to say about open center hydraulic system and closed center hydraulic system. So what for late? Let's watch the video. Open center hydraulic system. Firstly, I will tell how simply the basic hydraulic system works. The liquid in the reservoir goes to the pump and then goes to the selector valve and again returning to the reservoir. This is the working of hydraulic system at a glance. If you want to know detailedly about working of hydraulic system, refer my channel. Now I will tell how open center hydraulic system works. For any hydraulic system, there is a minimum number of components. There are pump, reservoir, directional valve, check valve, pressure relief valve, selector valve, actuator and filter. Now let's see the working of open center hydraulic system. Firstly, the liquid from the reservoir goes to the pump by sucking the fluid. This pump increases the pressure and goes to the selector valve and back to the reservoir. In the open center hydraulic system, when actuating mechanism is idle, there is no pressure in the hydraulic system. Open center hydraulic system have many number of subsystems. Open center hydraulic system uses many number of subsystems by the help of number of selector valves fitted to the system. The selector valves in the open center hydraulic system are connected in series with each other as shown in the figure. In the open center hydraulic system arrangement, the system pressure line goes through each selector valve and fluid flows freely and then returning to the reservoir when and only when one of the selector valve is positioned to the operating mechanism. When one of the selector valve is positioned to the actuating cylinder, liquid comes from the pump with pressure and goes to the selector valve and then liquid is directed to the actuating mechanism. With the selector valve is positioned as shown in the figure, the flow of liquid blocks in the selector valve and pressure build up here and system moves with pressure. Because of the piston, the work is done and liquid in the opposite end of the cylinder return to the reservoir. Now I will tell about the closed center hydraulic system. In the closed center hydraulic system, the liquid is under pressure whenever the power pump is operating. In the closed center hydraulic system, the actuating cylinder are connected in parallel with each other. In the closed center hydraulic system, when one of the three selector valves is closed, then other two selector valves are open and actuating units which are connected to the two selector valves will work. As shown in the figure, from the reservoir, the liquid goes to the pump by suction and from the pump it goes to the two of the three selector valves and it then goes to the piston. Liquid in the opposite end of the actuating unit return to the reservoir. The difference between the two systems, open center hydraulic system and closed center hydraulic system are, in open center hydraulic system, the selector valves and actuating units are connected in series with each other. But in the closed center hydraulic system, they are connected in parallel to each other. The second difference between open center hydraulic system and closed center hydraulic system is the pump used in the closed center hydraulic system is variable displacement pump, but in the open center hydraulic system, the pump used is non-variable displacement pump, constant delivery pump. The advantage of the closed center hydraulic system is continuation pressurization is not required. This closed center hydraulic system used in so many places than the open center hydraulic system. If you have any doubts, please comment below. If you like the video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel.